Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Volvo V90 hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever, which is typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell. Give this lever a firm pull to disengage the first latch mechanism. You should hear a distinct click, and the hood will then slightly pop up, indicating it's partially released and ready for the next step. Now, walk to the front of your Volvo V90. With the hood slightly ajar, you'll need to locate the secondary safety latch. This is a crucial step for full access. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, feeling for a small lever or tab. It's often positioned near the center or slightly off to one side, designed to prevent accidental opening. Once you've found the secondary latch, either push it up or pull it to the side, depending on your specific V90 model. This action will fully release the hood. With the latch disengaged, carefully lift the hood all the way open using both hands. Finally, locate the prop rod, usually attached to the underside of the hood, and secure it into its designated slot to keep the hood safely open. After successfully opening your hood, it's a great time to perform routine checks, like inspecting fluid levels and ensuring everything looks normal. Keeping your engine bay clean can also help prevent issues down the road. Remember, regular maintenance is key to your Volvo's longevity. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.